Hey guys, welcome to Virtual Monday. We are working on this together in class, so please make sure you're following the rules. You're not calling out, you're quiet, and we can get through the lesson. So before we even start this, your math notes should have been completed. You should have watched the YouTube video, wrote the notes, and now we're on page 65. You should have the packet in front of you. Write the notes. Okay, if you have this packet in front of you, you really should be taking a picture and sending it back. Okay, the objective of the day is we're going to learn subtraction rules. That's what you're writing in. Okay, learn subtraction rules, which we just did, and that will be in your math notebook. Okay, so problem of the day using integer tiles, which we've been working, you have to model the following. Okay, so let's figure this out. We have a -6, so we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you write your negative symbol in there. Okay, now there's a minus -4. Okay, so let's think about this. Now the rule is telling us to do keep, change, change. So now watch what happens here. Keep, change, change. This is a +4 now. So should these tiles say negative? No, they have to go to a positive. So I'm changing them. So the big piece of the puzzle is that -4 is now a positive. Now we know the tiles. We have 1, 2, 3. We cross out 1 here. 2, 3, 4. We cross out. We are left with a -2. Okay, so remember we have to change. So let's do this again. Okay, we have a +2, so we have 1, 2, positive, positive. I take my pencil here and I have 5 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are my negatives. Use a pencil for this because we might be erasing. Now we apply the rule. Keep, change, change. Okay, this minus sign has to become a positive, and now this is a positive. So this is now a +5. Let's mark up your paper. What I write, you write. So I have to fix these. I cannot. So now I'm going to do a plus sign for them. Now when I look here, can we cancel any out? The answer should be no. The only way you can cancel out if it is a negative and a positive. That's the only way you can cancel out. So now, what is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 positive integer tiles. Okay, let's do this again. I model it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have negatives. And now I have 3 negatives. So we do it again. 1, 2, 3. This is before the rule. So we're sketching out the integer tiles before the rule. I write keep, change, change. So this is a plus, and then this becomes a negative. Now look at this. It's still a negative. Do I change the tiles? No. Leave tiles as is. We don't do anything. So now, see, it's still. So let me write over here so a little bit more clearer for you. Okay. And we had this. And when I did keep, change, change, there's that integer rule for adding. Okay, when we add negative, they stay the same. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7. And we just took that quiz. So let's just break that down one more extra step for you. And when they are the same, remember we would write same. We did 4 plus 3 is 7. If they're same, you keep the sign. And that was our adding integer rule. Okay, let's do this one. So we have -1. Here's my pencil. -1, I have 4 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4. What should I write next? What should we write above, which we've been doing on all of them? Keep, change, change. I keep the -1, I change, and a -4. Do I have to do anything with the tiles? The answer should be no. And let's write it over here. So this is an adding rule. We just took this quiz, and when they were the same, we would just add and keep the sign. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all have negative, so it's a -5. Okay, so right now you're going to try 4 on your own. Okay, and 6. And we're going to do 5 together. So there's 0. I draw 0. There's no tiles. And I'm going to draw 3 negatives. 1, 2, 3. I do my keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. And what happens? It stays the same. So the answer is -3. Okay, so what patterns do you see? So the pattern you can see, I want to see if you can notice what we did above. Okay, let's just try your best on this. What did you notice for the work we did? Because some of them, for example, we changed to a positive and some stayed negatives, okay? So right now your job is to just do 4 and 6 on your own and try this. Just try your best. Just want to see if you can see something. We'll talk about it tomorrow. So your goal now is to, if you have this at home, this is your notes. You're going to take a picture with your phone or tablet, whatever you have, and you're going to submit it under classwork. It will say turn in. You said add attachment. There is a video on my class stream that models this. So if you're still confused, you click on the class stream. Here is the stream. You click on the stream. I'm still confused. You can scroll all the way down, all the way back to the beginning, and there will be videos of how to turn it in. And there it is. How to submit work on September 11th. And that's where you need to go. Watch this video. Okay, there's a whole bunch of videos here. Another one, how to submit through Kami and everything else. So hopefully you guys really have to. If you're choosing to stay home on Virtual Monday, this work must be submitted in classwork to get the full credit for the day. Have a great day.